Hi, welcome to Product Review by Robojax. My name is Ahmed Shamshiri. In this video, we are going to do the review of this AD409 Pro digital microscope. This is a device that you can have a close-up look at PCB for PCB assembly, PCB troubleshooting, or maybe textile or any other purposes with great magnification. It has built-in 10.1-inch LCD, and you can also connect it to your computer to do measurement, angle measurement, taking picture, record video, and connecting it to the larger screen for team participation and discussion of projects. You can also connect via Wi-Fi to your Android or iOS phone. And it comes with remote control, so you can control it. Let's get started with this. Andonstar has sent me this digital microscope or magnification device for review. I will not be biased. I needed such product for a long time to inspect PCB or maybe record video, because it comes also with HDMI output, and that is a great feature for myself, so we can connect it to the larger screen and a team can participate or work on projects so they can view it all together. I'm going to explain the microscope, then I'm going to show you how to install the software on PC and connect it via USB. I'm going to calibrate it for measuring the distance precisely. Then we are going to test iOS app for this device. Currently it's $379. From time to time they offer it with a coupon. If you don't want the stand, the price is $339. The package is about 30 centimeter or about 12 inch, 26 centimeter in width or 10 inch. Height is 5.5 inch or 15 centimeter. Let's just open it. Very nice manual. Color. This is a display. Wow. Amazing. Look at the lens. Whoa. So the screen is about 9.5 inch from this corner to this corner. Here we have micro USB, mini HDMI, and micro SD card slot with some lights. Then we have this micro USB cable, a remote, some hardware, power adapter, USB power adapter, HDMI, mini HDMI to HDMI cable, remote power USB switch, this is all solid. Wow, this is excellent quality. This is the main mounting rod. Let's start the assembly. We start with the base. Insert. First, let's insert this piece. The side that has a screw. And simply insert this hole, and we can adjust it. Components. with these long screws. The last thing, we will insert the display in here. The last thing, we will insert the display in here. So we can adjust this high and low from here, and also we can move it. If I remove the screw, the whole display could be moved in here if needed, but better to keep it closer for balance purpose. Now this is the microscope. Here is our power cable. We have two connectors. One goes at the base to power these lights. This goes at the base to power these lights. We have two of them. You can turn them on and off, or once you turn it on, also you can dim them using these buttons up to a certain point, but not much. So now you can increase the intensity of light. The second wire goes in here to power up the display. Now to start working with this, we have to know these buttons. First, this is a power where you press it to turn on or turn off. So now it's off. If I press and hold it, it will turn on. And then we have M, that is for menu. This is up, down, OK, and camera. And hold it for a few seconds. We will see the menu. Now, the menu has two main menu, and then these are the sub menu. I can press M again to move to the second menu. If I press M and hold it, the menu appears. If I press M again, it comes here. And then next time exit. Let's hold it. Let's go in this menu. I'm pressing this up and down, these two. And after selecting that, we press OK. Then you can see here that we have different resolution sizes: Ultra HD, P24, that's 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, QHD, Full HD, and Full HD 30 frames per second, and then 120. And these are not Full HD, these are 720p. So we can go up and down and select whichever we want and then press OK. Let's work with the settings with menu. I'm pressing menu. Now I'm pressing menu, and you can't see the menu here on the screen. So let's go down. I'm going to resolution, press OK. And from here we can select different resolution. Now it has been set to 4K or Ultra HD, Full HD. And this is the exposure. When you select the exposure, you can brighten it or darken it. Now my finger is in front of it. You have to point it directly towards the device, and then date and timestamp when you turn it on. Let's see what happens. When you record it, it will be on the recording. Then the sharpness, how sharp you want the picture to be. Normal, strong, or soft. Let's have it to normal. And then freeze. The freeze option will hold the screen, whatever you have. If you select it on, it will hold the screen for you. By pressing this freeze button here on the remote, this freeze will work. Then we have contrast. From here, low, medium, and high, we can select it. We have color, normal, black and white, sepia, negative, so we can select. That's interesting. Black and white option is in here. We can go black and white, but sepia and negative. Negative is switching all the color in reverse value to normal. And if I press M again, now I'm pressing M. Now if I press M again, it moves to the next menu where we can see the Wi-Fi either on or off. This Wi-Fi is shown here to be off. Round grid line setting. Now it's off. You can change it with remote. Go to the right. Now I pressed right and left, so you can see the grid line. Left off. I can go down with remote or using these buttons. And same way, we can turn on all the lines to be displayed on a screen. And these are for lines. I can say line 2. Each line can be selected. Now this line is horizontal. That's line 2, red. I can go to 3, which is this line. 3, black. There is a black line. If we have white picture, you will be able to see it. You see, I'm holding this text, and you see the black line. And if I go one more, orange is this line. One more, green. Now, you can see this is now vertical. It's referring to this line. One more, 6. Vertical, high. The location is that you can move. Now I'm here, so this is 319 pixels from here, so we can move it. Let's say I try to move it. You see, I'm moving it with this right button. This line is moving. If you want to set it in certain location for some reason. And then if I go down, this is a color for this line. I can change it to different color, yellow, blue, red, whatever you want. So let's keep it white. And the next one is the width. They said wide, so that's a width. And if I go to the right, so now I can increase the thickness of the line. Now press menu or M to exit from this menu. Once and then twice. Let me insert this 32 gig memory. Turn it on. Let's turn it on. So it is turned on. Let's go, and that is on. Exit. And then now I have a memory card. Press record. Now it's taking the picture. The picture was taken. Let's go. Mode. Camera. Press again. Doesn't work. And press it. Doesn't work. What happened? Let's disconnect it and connect it again. Now connect it. Now the device is turned on. Let's press this button. So this is the sharpness, how sharp you want. This is the brightness. This is making the screen black and white and color. And here, you see, and if I press this, now it's black and white. Color. So this is for setting all the settings to default, negative, positive. So that's just for directly for, and this is for flipping the screen. It shows now we have 3 hours 50 minutes for the recording. And here is the video when I focus. I'm rotating it clockwise and then counterclockwise to focus. So 80 mega 1602. Now let's see how we can use this AD409 Pro with Windows. I'm going to connect it to the back directly. First we need to download a driver. This is the address I will provide you in the resource page. Click on it. You can search for each and download them from Microsoft website. You will see this Google Drive share, and you can click on download here or click on download, and then it says virus. It says can't scan for the virus, download anyways. Save as. Open the folder. Let's check it for virus. Norton Security scan. So no threat found. Let's install it. So I'm going to install with all feature. For this program to work, your computer must have .NET Frameworks 4 and Microsoft Visual C++ 2012 runtime. And here where I connected, it says mass storage or PC camera. I will press this OK. Make sure to see PC camera on the screen before you start the software. Once you install the software, double click from the desktop and open it. Let's open Microscope. Just type micro Microscope measure, file open, open device, USB mode, USB camera. From here you select it and OK. Attention required. Always allow. It will be on the desktop. Double click and open it. Whatever is available here. And then we can zoom in like this or zoom out. Let's see how much we could zoom in. So this is the maximum zooming. If you want to go back to normal, just click at the middle pin. There are tons of tools to measure diameter, circle, length, and so many other things. So we can have grids or crosshair, something like that. If you want to measure between some points, just click and the next point, and you will have the value on the tip of the mouse. So click wherever you want to see it. Click and the mouse will be released. So this was the distance. You can do the distance from top to bottom like that, or some angle. Any angle you want, you can move it like this. You can change these settings by going to File, Save Setting, Line Width. Let's say you make it 4, very thick line, and then the text, let's say make it 30, and the unit is 0.01, that's correct. And from here you can select and browse where you want to save it. Click OK. All the files will be saved in that location. Now we can get thick line and also better text. The text also can be still changed. So these are the values. All the measurement that you did, they are here. So line 0, and you can delete them from here or hide them. Let's say you want to find out the angle. Click there, click here, and then so that's 135 degrees like that. So you can measure. And how can we skip or stop it? Yes, as soon as I right click, release, and click, that's the length. Now to record photo, just click, the photo will be here. To view the photo, double click to see it. This is the actual live, and this is the photo that you see. Microscope measure, and this says BMP. If you want to record a video, go to the measurement and then click. It asks you how many seconds or unlimited. Let's say 10 seconds. Click OK. And here it shows the seconds. Let me move this. 6 seconds. And stopped. Once you have the photo or video on the screen, right click, save as, and it will allow you to save it somewhere with some name. Microscope, save file, videos, and here are all the videos that I've just recorded. So this is the last one. You see the video is being stretched as we move it. It's not as smooth. Now this is uncalibrated. I want to click and click here, then click wherever you want the data to be shown. As you can see, it shows 32 millimeter, but looking at the device at that point, that is not 32 millimeter, that's a pen, tip of pen, and my pen is like less than 10 millimeter, the tip of it. So we need to calibrate. Let's put a ruler, using this ruler. Now to do calibration, at the bottom, click here, calibrate. If it's here, just select this. So click on this and then select this tool. We are measuring as long as we want, so the longer distance you measure, the more accurate it must be. So each line is 1 millimeter. Let me put it here at the middle, and up to here it's 5, up to here is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's put it here at click. As you can see, it shows 185. That's incorrect. Enter here 19. Name, we can name it, for example, test 1, and then calibrate, finish. So now calibration is done. Now it shows 19 millimeter. Now let's measure from here to here to see if, let's zoom in first so we can get accurate reading. Let's go 1 millimeter, see if it gives us 1 millimeter. It shows 0.99. That's very accurate. So the calibration is done. Now if I want to measure this length from this middle up to the middle of this corner and click somewhere that you can read, it says 11.24 millimeters. AP409 also can be connected to the larger screen where you may have meeting or discussion about the project. This is a PCB, but perhaps it could be something else. Small devices, I don't know, maybe watch, maybe texture of something. You can just magnify it. Let me move this. So the resolution that you see now is set to full HD. So if I go to Ultra HD, when you magnify the picture, the resolution will be reduced significantly. This is a 75-inch TV, so it's huge. And when I look at it from closer distance, I can see large pixels. For the normal viewer who is sitting maybe about 2 meters or further away, they will see very nice picture. But this is not actual 4K with 4K resolution. In this case, even if it's not HD, it's when you're magnifying it, because this is. Now let me reduce it. Now this is now normal view, and in normal view the objects will look smaller, but it's much sharper and clearer. This is not taking effect immediately, and I don't see much change. Let's see the quality of the same thing on the device itself. I'm just disconnecting it. And here we have much higher resolution. It's very detailed. Perhaps the screen is small, and this is 75 inch. So I'm looking at this from very close distance. And it is readable. For the rest, let me sit. We are able to read the number here. Yes, some numbers, some labels need different angle of light to get brighter, proper reading. So now let's go to IS store and type ucam -cam, and you will see this. And let's see. Make sure go to Wi-Fi, and here I'm pressing M and going again. Go down and press OK. Turn it on by pressing OK. When this is on, now you will see the SSID, this Andonstar with some number, and the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and you will see the Wi-Fi here at this. This is the Wi-Fi. Password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we got, when the app is connected, you will see that icon here, and also in here you will see connect. Connected. Now connect. So we got connected. Excellent. Now then we can go here. And we can see, let's see for the setting. So first we have to stop it, and here we can set the Wi-Fi name. Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Robojax. My name is Ahmed Shamshiri. In this video I'm going to show you how to use ESP32 webcam over your Wi-Fi and show you how to see the video on your mobile device. I'm going to show you how to enable also face detection. So here is the digital microscope. Let's open it. We have the manual. We have micro USB cable to charge it. We have a strap, very nice strap. We have 8 megabyte of micro SD card. We have a nice tripod. Wow. And here is the digital microscope / camera.